Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see Audi Q5 facelift SUV. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe and press bell icon. Audi has globally unveiled the 2021 Q5 facelift SUV with a host of updated over its predecessor. The new model is expected to arrive in the Indian market only by next year with limited powertrain options. The new Audi Q5 facelift model looks more aggressive and sleek as compared to the previous model. It received an all-new front fascia with a redesigned grille that now looks more larger than on the previous model. It also gets new headlamps with redesigned DRLs, what is much sleeker and appealing than before. Bumpers at both ends also feature an aggressive and sporty design with new vents. At the rear, it features a subtle revision with new trim piece connected both the tail lamps. Both the headlamps and tail lamps on new Q5 have been revised, especially with rear units receiving a new OLED technology. Audi is offering its international customers to choose from various lighting options include the brand matrix technology as per their preference while buying the new Q5. On the inside, it features a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is from the brand MIB3 platform, which Audi claims to be 10 times faster than the previous generation. It also features Amazon Alexa and the brand's connected car technology with artificial intelligence assistance for the various commands. The new infotainment also offers updated navigation with high-resolution images from the Google Earth. The company has also updated its My Audi smartphone application to offer more features as well. Other features include leather seats, a multifunction steering wheel with updated mounted controls, a fully digital instrument cluster, climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and a host of other features. The new Q5 cabin continues to offer the best of balance between luxury and sportiness inside the cabin. In international markets, Audi offers new Q5 with both petrol and diesel engines. However, India-bound model is said to receive only a petrol engine. It will be a form of 2.0-liter 45 TFSI petrol engine. It is expected to produce 245 bhp and 370 Nm of torque. The engine now mated with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission with power being sent to all four wheels using Audi's Quattro system. The power figures on the Q5 facelift model seems identical to Audi Q6 sedan that is currently on sale in the Indian market. Only launched, the new Audi Q5 will rival the Mercedes-Benz GLSC and the BMW X3, the Volvo XC60 and the Land Rover Discovery Sport, among others in the Indian market. Stay tuned to our channel for further updates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.